With a population of over 8,000 residents, Lancaster, Massachusetts is the oldest town in Worcester County. Although this horse farm is in the country, it's just minutes to shops as well as routes 2 and 495, and just 1 hour to Boston and 30 minutes to Worcester, the two largest cities in Massachusetts. This property is also serviced by town water and town sewer. Set down a long driveway, this horse property has many features that will delight the serious horse owner. True horse people want only the best for their horses, and this property was developed by an equestrian with every attention to detail. The land was purchased in 2005. Everything you and your horses would ever want is right here. From the large 85 by 200 foot Olympic-sized indoor arena to the 120 by 200 foot outdoor arena with a sprinkler system. The state-of-the-art barn features 20 large stalls, 12 by 14 feet, each with Dutch doors and Nelson automatic waterers. There's a large heated tack room, an office, a half bath, a grain room, a wash stall, a grooming stall, and 17 fenced paddocks. In addition to the fabulous horse accommodations, there's a gorgeous acorn house with an open floor plan and tons of glass to soak in the views. The home features hardwood floors, soaring ceilings, tons of sunshine, and a convenient first-floor master suite. The chef and the family will feel right at home in the gourmet kitchen that offers all one would expect, including double ovens, a center island, and a butler's pantry. 3 bedrooms, a study loft, and a full bath can be found on the second level. A lower walkout level plumb for a bath could be converted to a barn manager's suite. separate barn and paddock area for the owner's horse was recently constructed and includes space for companion minis and donkeys. Whether you have 2 legs or 4, this fabulous horse farm makes everyone feel at home.